Hey everybody, I am here today to show you a wash day routine and review featuring Bask and Bloom. So as you see here, my hair is very dry and tangled, but we are going to fix that. I am using the Rasool and Bentonite Clay Shampoo Bar, which clarifies and detoxes your hair. This was my first time using a shampoo bar, and it was honestly a really cool experience. And you can also use this bar on your skin as well as your hair. But as you see here, I am just rubbing the bar onto my scalp, just kind of getting in between my hair because my hair is pretty dense. But you don't need a whole lot of this product at all. It lathers up really nicely. And as I said, this is a clarifying shampoo, but it does not strip my hair of the moisture at all. My hair still feels moisturized after using the shampoo bar, and that's definitely because of all the oils that are in it. So in addition to the clays, there is coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, aloe butter, castor oil, and honey. So that's why it feels so moisturizing. And just a quick tip for anybody that has super dense hair like me, you have a lot of hair on your head. I always wash my hair in sections, so you'll see that my hair is pulled off into 4 sections right now, and later on you'll see that my hair is in twists. I always do that because A, I have a lot of hair, I don't want to miss any spots, and B, I have a lot of shrinkage and my hair gets tangled very easily. So keeping it in sections helps me out with that a lot. So after I have shampooed all 4 sections, I use the deep conditioner, which is the Brahmi Root hair mask, and that repairs and restores your hair. Some of the ingredients that are in this hair mask are marshmallow root, yucca root, aloe vera juice, avocado oil, castor oil, and raw honey. So it is, again, very moisturizing. You're going to catch a trend with this line. It is so moisturizing. I should also mention that these products smell absolutely amazing. At first sniff, I thought that they smelled like gummy bears. And someone actually gave me a compliment on the smell of my hair the other day, and they said it smelled like fruit, like super fruity. So yeah, these products smell so good. And this deep conditioner is great for detangling, goes on very smooth, melts into my hair, and so I don't even need to like have a separate detangling step in my wash routine. I can just go straight to deep conditioning. So you're going to see here how easy it is to detangle my hair, especially with this detangling brush. Of course, I always start at my ends, and the brush is just gliding through my hair, getting out all the knots and tangles, and really just working the product into my hair. So this deep conditioner is great for detangling. It has a thick consistency, but it's not so thick that, you know, a comb or a brush can't run through it very easily. As you watch me detangle the rest of my hair with the hair mask in it, I'm going to let you know a little bit more about this brand if you aren't already familiar with it. So, Bask and Bloom Essentials was created by a Bahamian native named Candera Thompson. She is a wife and a mother of 3, and she is an MBA graduate. While she was transitioning to natural hair and experiencing lots of dryness and breakage, she decided to use her love for herbal teas and at-home remedies to solve this problem. So the result is a full product line with natural and organic ingredients for healthy hair and skin. So in addition to hair products, she also has some skin products as well. Now that all of the Brahmi Root hair mask is in my hair, we're going to add a little oil to add a little extra something to my deep conditioning experience. So this is the Stimulating Herbal Oil, and it nourishes and stimulates hair growth. And this oil is also really great for dry, flaky scalp. So I'm just distributing it throughout my hair, and I'm gonna massage it into my scalp for a really indulgent deep conditioning experience. And of course, the ingredients are amazing. There's olive oil, aloe vera, marshmallow root, horsetail, neem, rosemary, sage, castor oil, vitamin E, sweet almond oil. You really can't get much better than that. These products from Bask and Bloom, the ingredients is really what holds up the product. Of course, it has great packaging. Of course, it has a cute name, but the ingredients is what really makes the difference. So you see here, I'm ready for my deep conditioning. I'm going to put on my plastic cap. I also have a heated cap that is like electric, like you plug it in. And this is my favorite part of deep conditioning. So yeah, I'm going to look cute with my little deep conditioning hat. Alright, so I sat with the deep conditioning cap on for about an hour, and this is what my hair looks like. Still has the deep conditioner in it. You can see that it pretty much absorbed completely into my low porosity hair, so that's incredible. And this is after I've washed the deep conditioner out. My hair again is in twists, pulled back to keep it stretched and detangled, and my hair feels so soft and springy and just ready to be styled. So that is my wash day routine using Bask and Bloom. I only had to use 3 products: the shampoo bar, the Brahmi root hair mask, and the stimulating herbal oil, and I had the most perfect wash day. I am a Bask and Bloom Beauty for summer 2019, so I do have a discount code. If you'd like to try out these products for yourself, you can head over to baskandbloomessentials.com and use my code TOYA20 for 20% off your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the products in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!